Today we are making a delicious Oreo milkshake. Before this video starts, please subscribe to Cooking in Style and hit the bell icon for notifications. Now let's start this delicious recipe. Add 6 or 7 Oreo biscuits into the blender. Chocolate's ice cream. Add this into the blender as well. Now add some milk. Add as much as you need. Blend these ingredients together to make the milkshake. Add a few Oreos into a food processor. You can also crush the Oreos into crumbs yourself. Melted chocolate. Add the chocolate into the cup. Now add whipped cream on top. Then add Oreo crumbs. Now add the blended milkshake into the cup. This is a very tasty milkshake. Be sure to try it. Top it off with some whipped cream and decorate it with Oreos, chocolates, and Oreo crumbs. The Oreo milkshake that contains chocolate ice cream and is decorated with whipped cream is now finished. This is a great recipe to try that only contains a few ingredients and is very simple and easy. If you have not subscribed to Cooking in Style, please subscribe. Make sure to like our videos and press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching.